Hi, I'm Pam Heller, AccuQuilt's cutting expert.
And I'm Erica Bodker, AccuQuilt's creativity expert.
All right, great things come in small packages. We've added another small strip die to the AccuQuilt collection, bringing our total to 22 strip dies.
Just like its cousin, the 2.5-inch cut 2-inch version, this Go small strip cutter cuts at 1.5 inches and finishes at 1. It comes on a 6x12 die, works with all of our Go cutters, and it's perfect for cutting up scraps and yardage. Let's show you how.
We talked about the 2.5 one. We keep it by our cutters all the time because sometimes you just need one extra strip.
Man, and this little version is so perfect for travel too.
Oh, yes. And it has 3 sections of 1.5 inches. So what we've done is we've rough cut 1.5, 1.5, 1.5 is 4.5 inches, a 5-inch width of fabric strip.
Okay.
And these lines here are just for subcutting. Now, no blades down either side, so you want to cut with the fabric. So today we're going to use our Go Bolt fabric cutter where we can cut 4 layers. So think about this, quilters. Think about scrappy quilts. We had the great Emily Bailey here on our show a couple of weeks ago, and she talked about crumb quilting and cutting up scraps into small strips. This would be perfect for those kinds of quilts.
Our small strip cutters are great for cutting up scraps. I love them. And for taking on the Go, just like our Go Bolt that I just cut our strips on.
There you go.
All right, so let's take a look at our strips. Now this is with the fabric, right?
Yes.
So this is all the waste we've got. Here are our 3 perfect with the fabric strips. Now, I wouldn't want to cut my whole binding on this,
No.
But it is so efficient for cutting those scraps. But what if we want to make 1.5-inch squares? I think this die is absolutely perfect. So you can take those 1.5-inch strips and I can go ahead and fold them using the 90-degree guideline.
Right.
And cut those. I want to line it up perfectly.
So if you're like a crafter, this is perfect for you.
Oh my goodness, yes.
Now, Erica, can we add strips to go all the way down the dough?
We could go all the way down, or we could also take another strip, and I'm just going to leave it the way it is with the 4 layers and cut some 45-degree diamonds at the same time. Look at that.
Now, are we worried about that little tail?
Not.
No. It's only going to cut where there's fabric and a mat, so that tail is going to be just fine.
And I'm just going to roll it up over on the side, turn the power on my Go Bolt.
Give it a little love and slide that. Oh my gosh, Erica.
Look how quickly we have cut. So I've got 4 layers here times 3. Those are 12 perfect little squares.
Perfect. So they're perfect for like mini quilts or pixel quilts, but look at this diamonds.
So here we've got our diamonds. We can do chevrons.
You could make
stars. We could do tumbling blocks. We've got lots of options. And here, I'll
make a star because they're so cute.
They're so cute. And it's just so efficient. Now you could do all these same things with our regular size 1.5-inch strip die. But this is so quick and easy when you're working with scraps, or if you're working with pre-cuts, Pam.
Right, exactly.
You know, working with pre-cuts like this, you could take fat quarters. We cut it at 5. What's 5 inches by 5 inches?
Charm squares.
We could put our charm squares on here and cut them into 1.5-inch by 5-inch rectangles, just like that.
Just like that. Now let's look at some projects, right, Erica? We have some samples.
Oh yes. So first off, we've got checks and rails wall hanging. This is designed by Katie Swigert, Katie Quilts.
Thank you, Katie.
And look, it's just a 2-tone.
Yes.
It's so quick and easy. And you know what? I bet she sewed strips together and then laid them across.
She did.
Cut them.
I was measuring to see that the squares are 5-inch finished. So she totally used like charm squares to create this. But look at how fun this is. And it's just too fun. Cute. It's blue, like your blue face.
Blue. It goes with my blue face. She's got pretty blue backing on it too.
It does. All right, so you have another one over there, and then we'll talk about the one behind us.
Okay, so the next one is the Go Red, White, and Bold Throw Pillow. This one is by Chantel Bailey. This is bold, and this would go so quick.
Mm-hmm.
I just love this treatment. So what she's done is take 2 shades of red so that this looks like, gives you
That rail fence.
That plaid look.
Yeah. And then here are just flying geese from 2 different sizes of cubes that work together to create the star. I mean, talk about a simple weeknight project.
Weeknight project.
And it doesn't have to be a pillow. You could make it a table runner.
She's made it a pillow. She's put a zipper in it.
Yeah.
Bless her heart.
Yeah.
But you could do an envelope kind of fold on it too if you didn't want to. Now she has quilted the top, and I have to say, I've made pillow covers both ways.
Yes.
They're better if you quilt the top.
They are. They get less poofy. Yeah. And she did it with stars. Okay, Erica, talk about what we have behind us.
Behind us, we have the Go Rainbow Runner.
Look at this.
This would brighten up any room. I mean,
so cute.
If you've got a long, skinny area to hang something, you could make it a bed runner. That would be really sweet on a little girl's bed.
Oh, yeah. Or birthday. We talked about birthday.
Yes. Deborah thought it looked like birthday candles.
Yeah.
I just really like it. And it would go super quick and easy.
Chantel Bailey made it.
Another one she
Look
made.
at how fun this is.
Great.
But I love the opposite, right? That little, it's white in the center here, and there's a pattern here.
Well, and that kind of ombre feel throughout.
Yeah.
We have one more. Flying into the Sunset by Jennifer Strausser.
Jen Strausser made this.
Strausser is the Dizzy quilter.
She is.
And here is this fun.
Oh, look at this. Super easy.
This would be so easy. So she's taken what I'm sure are her scraps.
Yes.
And she has pieced those together and cut half square triangles.
Yes.
Nice big chunky half square triangles.
And
with those.
Is this not one big chunky half square triangle?
No, it's not. It seemed right there.
Oh, there we go. Okay. 5-inch block and the 10-inch finished setting triangles.
So she used setting triangles.
Yeah, she's setting triangles. What a clever way.
It's available as a free pattern. Go ahead, jump on to AccuQuilt.com and download it and all of these patterns to make. And they're going to be so quick and easy using the Go Small Strip Cutter, 1.5-inch, 1-inch finished die.
Yes, because at AccuQuilt, we help you cut time.
So you can quilt and craft more.